I am Inimitable Himangrao and this is my video. Today I am gonna show you how to import media, add transitions and then edit their duration, and after that export them anywhere you want with the use of Camtasia Studio 8. So let's begin with our video. First, click on Import Media, then select the desired file and click Open. Then drag the file in track 1 and then click on More. After that, select Transitions and then choose the transition you want and drag it in the video. Add the yellow handles given. Then to change its duration, drag its handles. Then give final check to your video by clicking on the play button and watching your video. Next, click on Produce and Share, and after that click on the drop down arrow besides your video quality. Choose the video quality you want, but I would choose 720p. Then click on Next. After that, give a suitable name to your file and click on Finish. Then a menu will appear in front of you showing rendering. And after that, your file would be ready to share. Now you can share it anywhere you want, with your friends or family. I hope you liked my video. Make sure to like, comment and share it, and subscribe my channel.